Hey traders, Jonathan here at ForexSchoolOnline.com. I've thrown the camera on because I've actually spotted a setup on the Australian dollar, US dollar. Now this time frame is a 12-hour chart you're looking at. Okay, so it's a little bit different. The members over at the site know how to get these different time frame charts up. All it is basically though, it's a 4-hour chart. So it's a 4-hour chart with 3 candles blended together to make one candle. Okay, I have spoken about it. There's an indicator that you can actually get. It's all over at the members forum. But anyway, let's have a look at the setup. Okay, so the setup I'm talking about is this pin bar right here. Okay, now what really struck my attention, or what really pricked my eyes up, was this recent up movement. Okay, so we've been moving up, falling away, moving up, falling away, and I'll be now looking for that next up move. You'll see that I do have a horizontal line marked through with that exact area where the pin bar's formed. Now you'll notice these recent highs, okay, they are holding, that is a resistance area. So I've marked my swing point through there, and it's just a simple case of, price breakthrough, waiting for it to come back down. Now on this occasion, I'm not going to run through the ins and outs of the trade. I am putting this on as I speak. I haven't even set my order. I'm just about to set my order on my live chart. I will be taking a long at the break of the high. I'm not going to discuss the stop or stop placement. I will leave that over at the members in the members forum. I'm just about to jump on the members forum now and actually talk about this live setup, give them a heads up. I'm going to keep that video to there. I'll come back in a few days time, possibly 1 or 2 days time, and I'll recap. But the basic target for this one, you'll notice this second horizontal line at these recent highs. I will be targeting that area there to take possibly 50% profit or full profit, just depending on what price is doing once price gets there. I could possibly hold on, take 50%, move to break even, and hold on and wait for the same scenario, but I'll assess as it gets to it, and I'll let you know in the second part of this video. I'll talk to you soon. Hey traders, Jonathan back again with the second part of this live trade placed on the Aussie dollar 12-hour chart. Now, I've just been taking out 50% of my position, and I've moved the remaining 50% at break even. I'm not going to go too far into the advanced techniques of how we manage our trades and how we do protect our capital to give us the best chance, the best risk reward trades, but at the same time looking after our capital and our bankroll. But I am just going to show you how I've quickly played this trade, the basics of it, and what I basically plan to do for the remaining of the trade. Okay, so the price action setup that we traded was this pin bar reversal on this swing point, this previous support. We spoke about in the first part of the video about price moving up, pulling back and continuing, and basically all we're looking for in this trade was the same thing. We're looking for price to move up, rotate back, get some price action and trade on up. Now I would expect this to find some resistance at this level here. If we go back further, back the chart, there's more resistance. So at the very minimum at this level, we're going to have a little bit of stalling, if not a bounce back down. Okay, now if price can break above this level, we would look for price to break above and repeat again. So move back down and look for another price action signal, and so on and so forth. Pretty much rinse and repeat. So all I've done with this one is, like I've said, I've taken 50% profit through here. It's turned out to be a very nice trade, a very simple trade. If you want to learn anything more about price action at all, jump on over to ForexSchoolOnline.com. We have loads of free information that really helps traders. We're dedicated to helping traders become consistently profitable, and we teach a very refreshing method that's all about price action. It's all about number one, which is protecting your bankroll or your capital at all times. Okay, you can't trade if you don't have capital to trade with, so it's all about protecting that first and then making money obviously on top of that. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Jump on over to ForexSchoolOnline.com and I'll talk to you soon.